Hello students, welcome to Vyas Certification Kota. In this series of NCERT discussion, yes, we are discussing the chapter from Mathematics class 12th, Determinants. And it is time to discuss the exercise 4.4 in today's session. We'll be taking up one by one all the questions based on this exercise and what all is covered in this exercise. That's one important thing. Let me describe that for you. This exercise covers the finding of minors and cofactors of any determinant, for that matter, of any determinant. Yes, you are supposed to find the minors and cofactors of the elements of the determinant. Also, one more thing that is covered over here is the expansion, general expansion of any determinant in general. That's what we have using actually cofactors, minors and cofactors. Yes. So how do we expand the determinants? That's something that is covered over here. And what if we multiply the elements of one particular row with another row's cofactors? What will happen in that case? That is also covered in this exercise. Two very important results are covered here. So we'll be picking them up one by one. Let's begin with the first question that says, write minors and cofactors of the elements of following determinants. Okay, so we'll have to write the minors and cofactors of each element present here. Let's begin with the first one. What does that give us? That is, first part. In the first part we have this. Let matrix A is this. Let determinant of A is this. 2 minus 4 0 3. Okay. And before I continue any further, let us recall what are minors and what are cofactors. If you have any determinant A as this, A11, A12, A121, A22. If these are the elements in a 2 by 2 determinant, then minor of A11 is denoted by M11, and that is equal to simply determinant of the subdeterminant obtained by deleting this row and this column, that is A22, which is simply equal to A22 only. This is not modulus, mind you, this is determinant, right? This will be equal to A22. Similarly, minor of A12 will be denoted by M12, okay, and that will be equal to simply A21. Okay, minor of M21 will be equal to A12, and minor of element 22 will be equal to A11. The cofactors are slightly different. Yes. Cofactors have one more important thing. Cofactors are denoted by cofactor of A11 is denoted by C11, and this is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 times M11. Finding the cofactor requires the knowledge of minors first of all, but it is a very trivial thing for that matter. This is minus 1 power 1 plus 1 times M11. So only the sign of minors will change for finding the cofactors. What is the sign? Here you will have an additional plus sign. Plus sign will not impact the value. Here you will have an additional minus sign since the sum is odd. Sum is odd, here you will have an additional minus sign. Sum is even, here will not have any sign changes as such, right? So minors and cofactors are kind of interrelated. Let's see how we find the minors and cofactors of this particular determinant, right? Elements of this determinant. So this is similar to this, or A11, A12, A21, A22. This is similar to this. So minor of A11, that is this element over here 2. This element over here, this is 2, is equal to M11, denoted by M11, and this is equal to determinant of this 3, which is 3 only. That's the value of minor of this element 2. That's 3. Cofactor. Can I also find the cofactor? Yes, I can easily find the cofactor of A11. That is, A11 is 2, which is denoted by C11. Now C11 is simply equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1, right? Minus 1 power 1 plus 1 times M11. What is that? This is plus, and there you have a 3. This is simply 3 again. That's the cofactor of this element A11. Is that okay? Yes, that's simple. That's pretty simple. And let's continue further. Get rid of this first of all. And since we have discussed this concept, let's find the minor and cofactors of the other elements present in this determinant first of all. Right? Let's do that for all the determinants one by one. Okay, for all the elements of the determinant. Let's suppose we want to find M12. Okay, for M12 this is the element that we are interested in, right? -4. So this will be equal to determinant of, remove the row and column containing -4. What you get is determinant of 0, which is simply 0. And C12 will be -1 power 1 plus 2 times M12. What is that? -1 power 1 plus 2 is -1 power 3, which is odd power of -1. This will be -0, which is simply 0. Doesn't make any difference, right? And what else? M21 will be equal to what? M21 is this element 0. The minor will be -4. Determinant of -4, which is simply -4. C21 will be equal to what? C21 will be -1 power 2 plus 1 times M21, which is equal to -1 power 3. -1 power 3 is odd power, that is -1 times M21, which is -4. This will become equal to 4. C21 is simply 4. Next, what do we have? We have M22 is equal to determinant of this 2. Delete this row and this column containing 3, and what you get is determinant of 2, which is equal to 2. C22 is equal to -1 power 2 plus 2 over here, and times M22 actually. This is equal to -1 power 4, which is plus. So this becomes plus M22, which is 2, and this is, yes, obviously 2. These are all the minors and cofactors of this first part over here. Please observe this carefully, and then we'll see the second part after this. Let's discuss the second part now. We are supposed to find the minors and cofactors of elements of this determinant over here, A, C, B, D. Let's try to do that. Let's try to solve that. Let's find the minors and cofactors for the second part. In the second part, we have determinant A, C, B, D. This is what we have, right? And minors of each and every element can be found easily. M11 is pretty simple. M11 will be for this element, and you'll get determinant of this D, which is simply D. M12 will be for this element, and the determinant will be for B. This is what you get. M21 will be for this element, and that will be determinant of C, which is simply C. M22 will be determinant of this element, which is, by eliminating the first row and first column, the second row and second column, you will get determinant of A, which is A. On the basis of this, you can also find the cofactors. Cofactors M11, the cofactor will be C11, or you can also use another notation. Don't forget that A11. Cofactor can be represented by A11 as well. We'll denote C11. C11 is equal to -1 power 1 plus 1 times M11. Now that is same as this is a plus, right? So this will be equal to plus D. Okay, this gives me C12 will be equal to what? -1 power 1 plus 2 M12, which is equal to minus M12, which is minus B. Right? C12 is minus B. Similarly, C21 is minus M21, which is equal to minus C. And C22 is plus M22, which is plus A. That's what you have, right? So these are the minors and cofactors of all elements of the matrix given in 2.